Welcome back, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. How was your second terminal examination? Hope you all did well. Are you ready for today's class? Okay, let's start the class. Students, today we are going to meet the fourth unit. So all of you take your English text and take page number 127. What's the name of the unit? All of you read it? Yes, very good. Flowers and showers. The theme of this unit is nature. This unit is meant to promote a love of nature and the need for harmonious coexistence among all living beings, human values, and social ethics. And the unit highlights the message that it is the responsibility of every living being to protect and preserve nature. Gary Snyder observes nature is not a place to visit, it is home. Nature gives us strength, hope, peace, contentment, and remedies for all our problems. So, we must make efforts to know nature and do what is good for it. Students, here the expression flowers stands for the vegetation and living beings, and the word showers stands for the powerful elements that influence life. So, the most important point here is understanding the fact that man and nature have an interdependent relationship. Students, now all of you take page number 129. Here you can see a collage consisting of various images of nature. Here you can see a tree, a deer, a boy, a cloud, and a bird. Now read what each one thinks. The tree thinks that I'm your grandpa. The deer thinks that I'm a little girl. The boy thinks that I'm a lion. The cloud thinks that I'm an elephant. And the bird thinks that I'm a poet. Students, why does the cloud think that it is an elephant? Yes, very good. Because the cloud is black in color and has the appearance of an elephant. Can a bird become a poet? Yes, certainly. A bird can sing and imagine itself to be a poet. In what sense is the boy a lion? Yes, some of you are telling the right answer. The boy is brave and imagine himself to be a lion. Here, the deer thinks that it is a little girl because it is so cute and beautiful as a girl. The tree thinks itself as the grandpa because it is so old. Students, you can suggest some other ideas or thoughts for each one. Now, are you ready to meet the first lesson of the unit Flowers and Showers? Okay, let's go. So all of you take page number 130. Can you read the title of the lesson that we are going to deal with? Yes, very good. Song of the Flower. Now all of you read the sentences given just below the title. I'll read it for you. Does a flower have any importance in nature? Have you ever thought of this? Imagine what a flower can speak about itself and how it can become a part of nature. Students, we know that flowers are a part of this nature. They give beauty to our nature. In this nature, we can see different kinds of flowers with different colors. Do you know about the importance of flowers in nature? Imagine what a flower can speak about itself and how it can become a part of nature. Students, our first lesson is a beautiful poem. So, who is the author of this poem? Yes, very good. Khalil Gibran is the author of this poem, Song of the Flower. Now, shall we go through the profile of the author, Khalil Gibran? Okay, let's go. Khalil Gibran. He was born on 6 January 1883 in Lebanon. He was a Lebanese artist, poet, and writer. His notable works are The Prophet, The Madman, and The Broken Wings. He was died on 10th April 1931. Hope you all understood the profile of the author Khalil Gibran. Now I'll give you a short summary of the poem Song of the Flower. Song of the Flower speaks about the life cycle of a flower and its experiences. The flower in the poem stands for all that we experience in life: joy, sorrow, bitterness, victory, etc. It teaches us how to deal with life's struggles, to learn from our past and face the future with confidence and hope. Hope you all understood the summary of the poem Song of the Flower. Students, now I'll recite this poem for you. All of you listen attentively and find out the difficult words. I'm a kind word uttered and repeated by the voice of nature. I'm a star fallen from the blue tent upon the green carpet. I'm the daughter of the elements with whom winter conceived. To whom spring gave birth, I was reared in the lap of summer, and I slept in the bed of autumn. At dawn I unite with breeze to announce the coming of light. At eventide I join the birds in bidding the light farewell. The plains are decorated with my beautiful colors, and the air is scented with my fragrance. As I embrace slumber, the eyes of night watch over me, and as I awaken, I stare at the sun, which is the only eye of the day. I drink dew for wine and hearken to the voices of the birds and dance to the rhythmic swaying of the grass. I'm the lover's gift, I'm the wedding wreath, I'm the memory of a moment of happiness. I'm the last gift of the living to the dead. I'm a part of joy and a part of sorrow. But I look up high to see only the light, and never look down to see my shadow. This is wisdom which man must learn. Students, did you enjoy the recitation of the poem? Okay, now shall we discuss the difficult words and their meanings? Okay, let's go. Utter means express in spoken words. Blue tent means sky. This is the picture of sky. Green carpet means green grass. This is the picture of green grass. Conceive means become pregnant. Rear means bring up or look after. Dawn means early morning. Eventide means evening. Bidding, greeting. Embrace, press or hold to one. Slumber, very short sleep. Hearken, to listen. Sway means move from side to side. Wisdom, state of being wise. Students, hope you all understood the meanings of the difficult words. Am I right? So students, we will go through the poem in detail in the next class. All of you recite the poem loudly, okay? See you in the next class. Thank you, dear children.